Hello friends, this is Subrata Mishra. Today in this video I will show you how to prepare Maggi pakoda. For that, first of all, boil some water, okay? After the water will be boiled, add chopped vegetables like carrots and beans and capsicum. Guys, remember one thing, don't take too much of water because you are going to prepare the Maggi pakoda. So Maggi should not be done fully. It would be better if it is like 60 to 80% done, okay? So don't take too much of water. And yeah, after adding the vegetables, let it be boiled till 1 to 2 minutes. After 1 or 2 minutes, add the Maggies and make sure that the Maggi should not be done fully. It should be minimum 70 to 80% done, okay? Making Maggi, make sure guys that the water should not be more than this, okay? Don't let the Maggi be done 100%. Yes guys, now add the Maggi taste makers. Add the Maggi taste makers and mix it well, okay? Add all the packets and mix it well. Now the Maggi is ready guys. Now take this to a plate, okay? Now spread the Maggi all over the plate so that it will be get cool so very soon. And let it be cool. Let the Maggi be cool completely in room temperature, okay? After that, in the kettle, take some oil to heat, okay? Now the Maggi is also get cold in room temperature. Now in the Maggi, add 1 teaspoon of gram flour or besan. Add some rice flour also. Don't add too much of besan, okay? Now add red chili powder. Add some turmeric powder also. Guys, we will not add masala because already we have added taste makers of Maggi. And add some chopped onions. And by using hands, mix it well. Now the Maggi is ready to make pakoda. Check whether the oil is ready or not. Yes guys, see, oil is also ready. Now make small balls like this and fry till light golden color. Yes guys, see, now this is ready. Fry them all like this, okay? Now the Maggi pakodas are ready guys. If you like the recipe, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.